So we have completed our first module, that is per unit system. Now our next module is fault analysis. Okay. Now in this chapter we will see what is fault analysis, why we do fault analysis. Okay. And under this topic we will see what are the types of fault we see in power system due to short circuit. Next is symmetrical fault. Okay, what is symmetrical fault and how we calculate short circuit current and short circuit MVA and KVA. Okay, I missed here short circuit. Short circuit MVA and KVA. Okay, how to calculate this. Next is fault level. Now next is short circuit of a synchronous machine under no load and loaded condition. Now next is unsymmetrical fault. We will also see the difference between symmetrical fault and unsymmetrical fault. Next, to determine unsymmetrical fault, we need symmetrical component. So we go through symmetrical components. Okay. Now, how to transform symmetrical component? Okay. So this transformation is very important for analysis of unsymmetrical fault. Next, sequence impedance of transmission line, sequence impedance of synchronous machine, and sequence impedance of transformer. Okay. Okay, we will learn how to get sequence impedance of all these three: transmission line, synchronous machine, and transformer. Next, we will learn how to make Z-bus algorithm. Okay. Our first topic is introduction to fault analysis. So why we do fault analysis? Why we do such analysis? See, with this analysis, we'll get to know about short circuit current and short circuit KVA value. Okay, short circuit current and short circuit KVA value. Okay, in different condition. Now, this short circuit current and short circuit KVA value will give you the ratings of protecting device. Okay, what are the protecting device we use? We use the combination of relay and circuit breaker. Okay, now what relay do? Relay sense the fault and circuit breaker isolate that fault from the healthy part. Okay, this sense fault and circuit breaker isolate faulty part from healthy part. Here short circuit current determine the rating of relay and short circuit KVA determine the rating of circuit breaker. Okay, so this is why we do fault analysis, so that whatever the circuit breaker and relay we are using in power system, we will get to know required ratings for that. Okay, now what are the types of fault we see in power system? types of fault that occur due to short circuit. Now we will see a symmetrical fault and unsymmetrical fault. Okay. Symmetrical and unsymmetrical fault. What is symmetrical fault? Suppose we have a three-phase system. In this three-phase system, we have this is one phase, this is two phase, this is three phase. Suppose in this three-phase system, fault occur in all the three phase. Okay, if fault occur in all the three phase, then the fault experienced by one phase will be same as the fault experienced by other phase. Okay, so such fault which is experienced by all the three phase is called symmetrical fault. Okay, such fault which is experienced by all three phase is called symmetrical fault. Okay, now we all know that in three-phase system the phase distribution between all the three phase is 120 degree, right? So if the fault experienced by all the three phase is same, then there is no disturbance in the phase distribution. Okay, so in symmetrical fault what happen? In symmetrical fault, when all the phase experience same fault level, then we will tell that fault as a symmetrical fault. And under symmetrical fault, what is the phase difference? That is 120 degree. It means there is no disturbance in the phase distribution. If we talk about unsymmetrical fault, in unsymmetrical fault, suppose this phase experience fault. Okay, then the fault experienced by the third phase, this phase, will not same as the other phase. The other phase doesn't experience the fault, right? So under such condition, the phase distribution between all these three phase will get disturbed. Okay, see, the phase distribution is normally 120 degree for three phase. If one phase experience fault, then the phase distribution will get disturbed, right? So under three phase system what happen? Only one or two phase will experience the fault. Okay, it means the fault level experienced by all the conductors, all the phase is different. Okay, so under such condition the phase distribution will get disturbed. If the phase distribution will get disturbed, such fault called as unsymmetrical fault. Okay, now what would be the condition of symmetrical fault? So under symmetrical fault, what would be the condition? First condition is when all the three phase get shorted. Okay, when all the three phase get shorted. Okay, now when all the three phase get shorted to earth, that is triple line to ground. So under such condition also all the three phase will experience the same amount of fault level, right? Same fault condition. Under unsymmetrical fault, if one phase get shorted to ground, that is single line to ground. Okay, now next is if two phase get shorted. Okay, if two phase get shorted, then the third phase will not experience the same fault condition, right? Next is when two phase get shorted to ground. Okay, so in this condition also they will not the third phase will not experience the same fault condition. Okay, so these are the types of fault. In symmetrical fault, what happen when all the three phase get shorted, that is triple L fault. And when all the three phase shorted to earth, that is triple L to ground fault. Okay, these are the condition of symmetrical fault where all the three phase will experience the same fault level condition. When all the three phase will experience the same fault condition. Under unsymmetrical fault, when one single phase will get shorted to the ground, then the other two phase will not experience the same fault condition. So such fault is called unsymmetrical fault. When two phase get shorted, then the third phase will not experience the same fault condition. And when two phase get shorted to ground, then also the third phase will not experience the same fault condition. Okay, so these are nothing but unsymmetrical fault. Okay, now